In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the answer key in Google Forms. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. Once you are on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a big button on the left labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, listing various options like Google Docs, Sheets, and more. Here you want to select Google Forms. After clicking on Google Forms, you'll be presented with two options: create a blank form or use a template. For our purpose today, select the blank form option. Now you have a fresh canvas to work with. Before we dive deeper into setting up questions, let's switch some settings to make our form into a quiz. Move over to the top right of the page and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Within the settings menu, you'll find a section called quizzes. Click on make this a quiz. This is crucial because it allows you to add answer keys to your questions and automatically grade them. Now that you've enabled this setting, let's navigate back to the questions tab by clicking the arrow or the questions button at the top left of the screen. It's now time to start building your quiz. Begin by adding a title or name to your form to keep everything organized. For each question, you'll be typing into the provided text area. Let's add a multiple choice question, which is often the go-to format for quizzes. After you've formulated your question, you'll notice on the right side of the screen that multiple choice is the default question type. If it isn't already selected, make sure to click on it. Once your question type is set, you can add options for your respondents to choose from. There's a button labeled Add Other to append any additional options you may want to include. Now let's get into adding the answer key. Directly below the question you've made, you'll see a small link that says Answer Key. Click on it. Here you'll be able to designate which option is the correct answer. You can also enter how many points this question is worth. Adjust the points based on the significance of the question in your quiz. After setting the correct answers and points, click the Done button located at the top of the answer key panel. This will save your settings and take you back to the question page. Once you've completed these steps, you've effectively added an answer key to your Google Forms quiz. This setup will now automatically grade responses based on the correct answers you've specified. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add an answer key to your Google Forms. Happy form creating!